It's more than I ever thought I could find. Put it all on the line.
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing, I'm going to be, I guess, filling up, making my hair growth oil that's currently live on the site. Hi guys, it's Moshan. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. And yeah, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I am going to be just sharing with you guys how I fill up my oils. I've already made the mixture, I've already made the oils, and you know, added the secret ingredient. No, I'm joking. But anyway, yeah, so in today's video we're going to be filling up, and I'm also going to be, I guess, packaging one of the orders that I got that involves one of these. So that's what we're doing today. I think I've got about 10 bottles here. I'm just gonna make those for now. I think oil is enough for 10, or maybe it's more. I don't know, but we'll see. So that's what I'm doing today. And you guys, I'm happy because I can finally wear my bonnet. I mean, I have worn this bonnet in some of the videos if you watch my videos, but I can finally wear it freely. And then you guys can, you know, can shop, can get your own Unbotheredmane gold silk bonnet. Look at it. It just gives rich auntie vibes. Okay, we're in a bonnet but we're looking luxurious. That's what we like to say. Anyway, so I'm just gonna get on with that and I'll let you guys watch.
I'm sorry for the
Hey guys, this is a weird angle. Anyway, I'm just about to fill up the bottles, and I have a light here because there's zero light today. There's like sunshine, but it's not very shining. I've prepped my oils. Everything is in there. Smells delicious. And yeah, I'm just gonna be pouring them. And I've got a light here because I'm also making like reels and TikToks or whatever. So I'm like multitasking. Oh yeah. The oil here. I'll just do one reel like this while I'm holding.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. Secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one.
I'm just gonna make the lids. So these are the part of the lid. So like, okay, taking it out. putting the lids on and everything. It's all done. Now the next part is to put the actual label on. This is what they look like. So yeah, this is the crucial moment. Let's see.
I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one.
Hey guys, I know this is not the best angle, but anyway, so since I finished doing the oils, and now I'm just gonna package one of the orders that somebody ordered. This my good sis Juliana, shout out to you. She ordered the oil and she also ordered one of the bonnets. So I'm gonna package that order. I don't know if I should put you up here maybe. Somewhere. Maybe up here. I don't know if that's too much. Okay, so we're gonna need okay, so she ordered the Moto Moto hair growth oil. She ordered so she ordered one of the gold silk bonnets. She also bought this. So I usually put these in here. This is not I don't really need to do this, but I like being extra so, and then I'm gonna put the business card inside. We also have the thank you card, and this is got her information. This is a receipt, so I'm gonna grab one of these. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.